Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays. Any way you want to say it is fine with me. Good day, everyone. I'm Jewel, and this is J7409 weather for Monday, December 23rd, 2019. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell and then click all to ensure you get all the latest weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, and any severe weather that may be coming your way. I would appreciate it so very much. This is the satellite look at the lower 48 this morning, as well as for portions of our friends up in the Canada region here, and also down around the Dominican Republic. And for all the little islands off here, looking very good for you today. No clouds around. Dominican Republic may get a little rain as the days progress, but right now, what is going on? We got a soaking rain. Look at the soaking rain right in these areas for today. Now, this soaking rain in the southeast is going to happen, and there's some localized flooding also possible, especially in the areas of Columbia, South Carolina, Savannah, Georgia. Columbia, South Carolina, you guys, you're under a flash flood watch until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. When we move to these areas of Georgia, down around Savannah, flash flood watch warning in effect with 100% chance of rain today and tonight. Now, as we move up just a little to around Jacksonville, North Carolina, we got 100% chance of rain for you guys today, but no warnings are in effect. It's just going to be heavy rain, no flooding should occur. Other than that, what's going on? Well, as we look out, we see we've got some scattered showers and mountain snow out in the southwest Intermountain region. As we come up in these areas here, we do have a little snow that's trying to come in these areas. Other than that, folks, it should be a dry and mild Christmas Eve coming up tomorrow and Christmas Day for most. The GFS, which of course is the American model, and the European model are in agreement this morning, looking pretty good for the remainder of the day through the next 3 or 4 days. This map is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits and Levi Cowan. Let's turn it on and let me tell you what's happening. Also, we got some severe weather, maybe, so stick around for that. It seems we got a moisture-rich low-pressure system. It's going to produce all this additional rain across the coastal southeast today. Heavy showers and thunderstorms drenching Florida in the early morning hours will move east as a cold front passes through the Sunshine State. Now, lingering showers will persist this afternoon before drier conditions return Christmas Eve. Further north, a moderate risk for excessive rainfall remains in effect today for coastal South Carolina, as rainfall rates could exceed 2 inches per hour. Be careful. Now, some locations may receive as much as 7 inches before all this rain tapers off by tomorrow morning. The southeast will welcome a drier stretch of weather the second half of Christmas Eve and pleasant conditions on Christmas Day. As we travel out west, we have an upper level trough. It's going to continue to generate areas of showers and mountain snow in the southwest. Now, some showers may be heavy at times in parts of Southern California for the morning hours today, with a few thunderstorms also possible. The threat for showers and thunderstorms will push east into Nevada and Arizona today, then into the Four Corners region on Christmas Eve. Higher elevations of the southwest and the Intermountain West can expect wintry conditions lasting into Christmas morning. That's one of the better spots for a white Christmas. Now, you know, Santa could give Rudolph's red nose a break across the eastern half of the U.S. Christmas Eve night, as dry conditions will be common for most eastern regions. In fact, tranquil weather conditions through Christmas Day will make for a nice stocking stuffer from Mother Nature for those traveling through the holiday. High temperatures in parts of the nation's midsection will soar into the 60s, while parts of the southern plains reach the 70s, both Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Temperature anomalies should average in a range between 10 to 15 degrees above normal from the Great Plains to the Northeast through the midweek. Now, as you've been looking at the GFS model track through here, you can see now by the end of the first week of the new year, when we come up over in these areas here, let's just stop it a second and let me see if I can get it to come right on right quick here. I want to show you this right quick. This is around the 8th. We're going to have another low pressure come up here. We've got cold air sinking down. There's going to be some heavy snow looking like this is at the end of the first week of the new year. Looking like heavy snow maybe coming up here as these cold temperatures are going to set in. We're going to have to wait and see along these coastlines, say from Long Island down to Boston, right in this area, from Boston to Long Island, New Jersey, and all of these coastal sections here. We're going to have to see if this air sinks a little lower. A little too early to tell right now, but if it does sink, there could be some more snow over on the coastal sections. And as we take a look at severe weather that may happen for today, Monday the 23rd, we've got more low pressures that are coming up, as I was just telling you about, where over in Arizona this rain's going to come up and such, but Florida's the main point, not looking too bad at all for severe thunderstorms. There could be an isolated thunderstorm expected from central Florida to South Carolina. Severe weather, though. I don't think there's going to be any tornadoes, no gusty downdraft winds or hail. But later, the gusty winds could pick up today in the afternoon hours from Tampa to Cape Canaveral. Now, during the afternoon, you could get some gusty winds today from Tampa to Cape Canaveral during the afternoon hours. And that's a check of your weather today. Everybody have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Good Lord knows I love you all. Thank you so much for watching and everything you do for me. Please share this information on your social media and with your family and friends. I would appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching all the way through. That helps me more than you know. So, with that all said and done, stay safe, my friends. Peace, love, and kindness to all, and thanks so much for watching.